You have created a web application, but it is still only available on your local computer. In this video, we'll deploy a Node.js application to an Ubuntu VPS, keep it running with PM2, connect it to a domain using Nginx, and secure it with a free SSL certificate. First, we connect to the VPS through SSH. I'm using the root account in this demonstration, but in a production environment, using a separate administrative user with sudo permissions is preferable. After connecting, confirm the operating system. Before installing the required software, we update the server's package information and install available system updates. We now install the software required for our deployment. Node.js will run the application, npm will install its dependencies, Nginx will receive web traffic, and curl will help us test the application from the terminal. Check the installed versions. Check whether Nginx is running. Press Q to exit the status screen. We must allow SSH before enabling the firewall. Otherwise, we could lock ourselves out of the VPS. The Nginx full profile allows incoming traffic on ports 80 and 443. Check whether UFW is active. We'll store our application inside this address. Keeping each website in its own directory makes the server easier to organize and maintain. Create a directory for the application. Enter it. Confirm the current location. Run. This command creates the package.json file, which contains information about our project and its dependencies. Express is a lightweight framework that makes it easy to create web applications and APIs with Node.js. After installation, list the directory. Create the application file. This application creates one route for the homepage. When someone visits the site, Express returns a small HTML page. For the first test, we run the application directly with Node.js. The terminal now stays attached to the application. Do not close this terminal yet. Open another SSH session to the VPS and run. You should receive the HTML generated by the application. For a cleaner response test, run. The application works, but it stops as soon as we close the terminal. We'll solve that by using a process manager. PM2 is a process manager for Node.js. It keeps the application running in the background and can automatically restart it if it crashes. Check the version. Start the application. Check its status. PM2 gives us commands for restarting, stopping, inspecting, and monitoring the application. PM2 Startup integrates PM2 with systemd. The generated command may differ depending on the user and server, so run the exact command shown on your screen. PM2 save records the current application list so PM2 can restore it after a reboot. Test the application again. At this point, the Node.js application is running, PM2 is managing it, the application is accessible locally on port 3000, and it is not yet connected to the domain. A 502 error commonly appears when Nginx is running, but the upstream application is stopped, listening on a different port, or configured incorrectly. This Nginx server block listens for requests made to oopswork.top on port 80. It forwards those requests to the Express application running locally on port 3000. Create a symbolic link. We always run Nginx before reloading Nginx. This checks the configuration for syntax errors and helps prevent us from breaking the web server. Reload Nginx. Run the command displayed on the screen. Open in a browser. Before requesting an SSL certificate, verify that the domain resolves to the VPS. The certificate authority must be able to reach this server through the domain. Certbot automates the process of requesting and installing a free TLS certificate. Its Nginx plugin can update our web server configuration automatically. Certbot verifies that we control the domain, obtains the certificate, and updates Nginx to serve the website securely over HTTPS. Certbot will ask for an email address, agreement to the terms, and optional email sharing consent. It will then verify the domain and modify the Nginx configuration. The visitor connects to oopswork.top. DNS directs the request to our VPS. Nginx receives the request on port 80 or 443 and forwards it internally to the Express application on port 3000. PM2 keeps the Node.js process running, while Certbot provides and renews the SSL certificate. We've now deployed a Node.js application to an Ubuntu VPS, kept it running with PM2, configured Nginx as a reverse proxy, connected the oopswork.top domain, and enabled HTTPS with a free SSL certificate. The same basic deployment architecture can also be used for larger Express applications, APIs, dashboards, and many other Node.js projects.